time to fit my Hepco Becker engine guards, or tank guards should I say. Got my engine guards on already, absolutely solid, so I'm hoping these are going to be just as robust. We'll see. It's fiddly, but not too bad. Second pair of hands will definitely come in handy right about now. If you did what I did and you didn't bolt up the front first, stick a ratchet on there to pull them together, or just do it the right way around and tighten up the front first. So they're fitted, wasn't too bad, a bit fiddly, could do with a couple of people to be honest. How do I feel about them? They look good, they're nice and neat, they're nice and close, but they do flex quite a lot. Right. You can probably see. If I push them hard, it's going to make the tank feel a bit that it's supposed to be protecting. They're going to damage that, I guarantee it. I mean, where they're bolted onto the engine mount, I would say they probably should have bolted at the front and the back to stop that flex. And that piece here, that should definitely be metal and longer, not a flimsy bit of plastic in between the tubes. Other than that, I'm limited to where exactly you can fit these things, but yeah, I'm not too sure about that flex.